So let's see what is in here.
Help me.
And
Here, Z, let me help you.
and tape it again to make sure that it is the right thing. You know? Why is swelling right there? Oh, this is sunlight. This sunlight is so good.
May it always be sunshine.
Wow.
May it always be blue sky.
Wow.
I just installed Minecraft.
What is it? Oh! Oil change? We have one of this, right?
Yeah.
I'll make a word. Let's make a word. Oil cha.
Oh yeah, a dump truck lost its tarp. And it almost hit us.
Yeah, that's why you have to be careful on the road.
Dancer. I love this air dancer.
That's your air dancer?
See, it's too light to be an air dancer. It could possibly.
Maybe just a box. Okay, let's do the unboxing. I'll take that here.
And I don't want to be
Ding, 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 ding.
And it feels too small to be.
You think?
Outside.
Maybe there's nothing inside. See, can you come up? No, you put it up. Put it first. Oh, see, it's not too hot, right? Okay. So today is the first day of what?
Summer.
Kuya still have a half day, but what is the purpose of going there for a half day? And then we can come back after 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
So we did not take him to school because just a waste of gas. Now the gas is so
expensive because of.
So here we are. We're gonna unbox another
Air dancer.
You sure it's an air dancer?
Yeah, this is the last.
Okay, the last?
The last.
Oh my goodness, guys, we don't have new air dancers anymore. So you like,
It's
subscribe.
Okay. We need to get 1 million air dancers out of this video.
1 million views?
Yeah, and we need to get 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes? Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
Yeah, and we need to get 1 million money.
1 million money?
Yeah.
Wow.
We need to be rich.
What? That's a lot of money right there, Z. So let's see what is in here.
Help me.
And
Here, Z, let me help you.
and tape it again to make sure that it is the right thing. You know? Why is swelling right there? Oh, this is sunlight. This sunlight is so good.
May it always be sunshine.
Wow.
May it always be blue sky.
Wow.
I just installed Minecraft.
What is it? Oh! Oil change? We have one of this, right?
Yeah.
Oil change?
Yeah, I think we do.
Amazon, why did you send us the wrong thing?
It's okay.
Open it inside.
I love
Anyway, you
I
love
already
it.
love and like, subscribe, and if you love oil change and it goes abandoned, and when it closed line, and I saw on Google Maps the oil change round closed down to 2020.
Are you a wrestler now? Put that in a
Oil change
put that in a garbage.
dancer.
Whoa! Oh, this one is black, right? The other one is blue. blue and white, right?
Yeah, Mama.
This one is black and what color?
Yellow.
Black and yellow. And this is look
Mama.
our way.
Mama, it did not turn. Someone made the wrong color.
Someone with the wrong color. Is this the look our way? See? So we have a.
Because it used to be red.
No, it used to be blue and white, right? We have blue and white. Is it blue and white or red and white?
Red and white.
Red and white?
Yeah.
Oh yes, you are correct. See. So instead of red and white, we got a black and yellow oil change, right? So let's put it here. We have put there. We gotta straighten it up.
In our house, we'll turn to an oil change, and we need to destroy our house.
We don't have a house if we destroy our house.
And it will turn. How much do you think it is?
This is a 20-footer. Ay.
Oil change.
Oil. Let me see if they have a
Oil change.
what's your vortex? You think? Ta-da! No vortex. And that's how tall it is. Straighten it up, kuya.
Mama, it's 1 million feet.
Wow, 1 million feet. It can touch the airplane on the sky. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. 20 feet. Air Dancer inflatable Truman all change. Advertising inflatables. It has black colors with yellow name
Yellow
and orange.
white.
Orange arms.
Mama,
Right?
and our house will turn to an oil change.
Why you want to change it to oil change? And then it will be like that though.
Yeah, and we need
There.
because we need to fix every cars.
We need to fix every cars.
Yeah, at oil change.
Oh. Are you ready to turn it on, guys?
Yes.
Kuya
Yes,
knows
sir.
what to do next.
Yes, sir.
Is it like that? I like this. Yeah, I like that.
Mommy,
Ah.
could
Wow! Oh my goodness! When Kuya become the stronger kid in the world! Where's your muscle, Kuya? Rah! Where's your muscle, see? Rah! Okay, so we're gonna put it here. Since the sun is over there. Gian! I'll make a word. Let's make a word. Oil cha. Oh, oil.
change.
Oh, chan.
That sounds like an animal.
Okay.
Oil change.
Okay, let's make another one. Oh. Og.
We created a new word.
What is that og means? Og.
Obviously gruesome exciting.
Oh, reverse it. Ego. Ah. Sisi, let's make a word. Ione. Ione. Ione.
I only
Okay, how about this? E.
oily.
Sisi is oily.
Oily.
How about C? We'll make a word. Oh. Ah, I know.
On.
Ong.
Oni.
Ong. Ongi?
Yeah.
Ongi.
On.
Ongi. You say. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. what we did yesterday.
Since it was the final day of school, and last year, me and my mom made like an agreement that on the last day of 5th grade, we would walk from school to home.
How long it takes?
3 hours.
No, 1 hour and 10. 1 hour and 10 minutes. That's how long it takes for us to walk from school to home. And this is what happened yesterday. So today we're gonna walk. You want to experience it? This is what I do in the Philippines.
I did this one time in 3rd grade, and Dad yelled at me.
Yes, because you're not allowed to walk by yourself without letting Daddy know. That's Daddy. We're almost 1/4. Kuya already like, but he's still talkative. Are you tired, Kuya?
Yeah, but luckily I got my trusty water bottle.
So we still have 3/4 to go. Let's go. What is it? Am I the child? Look at it. Oh my God. This walk has teaches Kuya a lot of things. That in Las Vegas, everything you think that is near, it is not near.
Bus stop to take a rest.
This is the biggest accomplishment he did. Right, Kuya?
Yep.
Walk from school to home. Yeah.
So we just walked from our school to our house, and that was very tiring. So let's go inside. Oh yeah, a dump truck lost its like tarp, and it almost hit us.
Yeah, that's why you have to be careful on the road. Anyway, so we did it, and mission accomplished for us yesterday, and it was fun. Only me and Kuya, Sisi and Daddy went home straight.
And he was probably crying.
Because he's missing the Kuya and Mommy. He thinks we went to Philippines. So anyway, so we had fun yesterday. And today we're gonna have fun too because...
And that's all your
Ta-da! Are you ready, see?
Yeah. Hold on, Rockies. Before it is done, I like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Don't forget like, subscribe, or else Kuya will turn to a bacon near Roblox.
Are you ready?
I like Minecraft.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna start now or what?
Oh my goodness, see? Awesome! Haha! It looks like blue, but it's not blue. It's black! Oh, change. We gotta do this. Let's do this. Back to back, guys. It's a back to back. Look at the material. You like it, see?
fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
That's all for today, Lucky. See you next time. Bye. And have another oil changer. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or else you become a Kansas City Chiefs fan.
Stop!
Yeah, still don't forget. Stop.
Yes, I win.
What'd you say?
I just win.
Why you win?
Because I win this round race.
And you cheated.
He win, Kuya. Oh my goodness.
Why is it that when I cheat, you cry, but when you cheat, you laugh like it's...
That's what kids do.
You laugh like
Oh, we don't have a picture.
Womp, womp, womp.